Hi, let's solve next previous question of regular language DOC. This question was asked in GATE CS 2016 set 2. It was question number 16 and 1 mark. Let's read the question. The number of states in the minimum size DFA that accepts the language defined by regular expression 0 plus 1 whole clean closure, 0 plus 1, 0 plus 1 whole clean closure is dash. It is asking number of states in the minimal DFA for this regular expression. So what will be minimum string generate from this? Minimum string will generate 0 or 1 from this. From this you can generate minimum epsilon, from this you can generate minimum epsilon, and for minimum string 0 or 1 you require 2 states. So answer will be 2. If you design from the regular expression, you can design a NFA. NFA will be look like this. Here 0 plus 1 whole clean closure. So you can write 0 comma 1. Then here 0 plus 1 that you can write here 0 comma 1. And for this 0 plus 1 whole clean closure, you can do a self loop 0 1. Now this is the NFA for this regular expression. Then you can convert this NFA to DFA. Initial state will be A. Then from A by 0 1 where it goes to state A and it goes to state B. So create another state A B and that will be final state as it contains state B. And from A by 0 1 it goes to state A B. Let's check from A and B by 0 1 where it go. From state A by 0 1 it goes to state A and it goes to state B. And from B by 0 1 it goes to state B. So by 0 1 it will be a self loop. Now this is the minimal DFA for this regular expression. It has 2 states. So rather than designing NFA then convert NFA to DFA, you can directly also design the DFA if you identify what is the language. Here language is minimum 0 or 1, then any number of 0 and 1. It's like this, language will be 0 plus 1 positive closure. Minimum it will generate single 0 or 1, then it will generate any number of 0 and 1. If you identify this is equal to 0 plus 1 positive closure and DFA for 0 plus 1 positive closure will be this, you can easily find that number of state in DFA is 2. You don't need to design NFA then convert NFA to DFA. If any doubts just ask me in comment. Thank you.